Keto Cocktails and Karma. Keto Shopping, Fred Meyer style. All right, first off, check out the Xenia as far as sodas go. Great option there. Bang Energy Drinks is a great mixer as well as a decent energy drink. Really good flavors, 0 carbs. Definitely check out the jerky. Watch out for the flavor though. A lot of hidden carbs there. Check out the quick grab items too while you're here. Great on-the-go options for those. Definitely give the nut selection a look. They typically have a pretty decent nut selection here. Watch out for the flavored nuts as well. Hidden sugars in those. Hilltop is a great option, as well as Rebel for ice cream options. Definitely give the cheese a check out when you're there. Great selection, great value. While you have your cheese, stop by what pairs better with cheese, but wine. Pinot Grigio is your best option for wine for low carb. For dressings, you want to check out Skinny Girl. This is a great option. Now, for barbecue sauce, this is my favorite as far as that goes. Super low carb, 2 carbs per serving. Simply almond, unsweetened is the best milk option I've found. This is the best coffee creamer in my opinion, as well as it makes a really good pina colada. The Carb Master brand, both the hot dogs and the hamburger buns are awesome, super great low carb options. Definitely check out the seltzers, the hard seltzers there. And this is my favorite as far as bread goes. Makes great toast, definitely give it a look.